Hello, this is Gianfranco Moreno from the EFWA team, and today I'm going to talk about how we are managing two different home pages or login pages depending on the device that is accessing the application. So I created a method which it's called when the page, the login controller, which is the app start controller, gets active in the index. It's called check agents, and I'm sending the HTTP context. And what this basically does is it checks for any kind of mobile device using regex, regular expressions, and then it checks for any kind of version of this mobile devices using also regular expressions. It's kind of like a big thing, which I got it from an API that uses this, but instead of just having the API use it, I just copy paste the regular expression that is being used and I apply it to the user agent. So I'm basically comparing the user agent to this regular expression, and based on that I'm returning either a false or a true. So if a true is returned, that means that it's this is a mobile device and is checking for if there's a cookie installed in the mobile device, and if it's installed, it's validating the user to access, and if not, if it's not a mobile device, it's redirecting to the other index page, which is the home page here. So we have two different views for that and two different layouts. One layout is called login layout and the other one is called home layout. Right now I'm going to test it and see that it's going to take me even though the main the startup controller or definition is going to take me to the login controller and the index action. I'm going to see that it's going to reroute me to a home controller, and we're going to test it right now. So the page is loading. And the breaker took me to the check agent. I'm sending an HTTP concept. I'm gonna go and here's the HTTP concept, and I'm gonna check, and it's gonna ask if it's not null or the user agent it's from a mobile device, then it should pass. Then it returns a false since it's not a mobile device. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna close this. I think it's zooming, right? So I'm just gonna undo that. Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna keep going. Return, and it's redirecting me to home and index. It's taking me to the home controller, like you see. So I'm gonna continue, and I was taken to the home page, not the actual login for for mobile devices. That's it for all. Thank you.